The higher education space has some unique and complex requirements to manage the user community. Tackling things like multiple roles or personas a person can be, such as students, faculty, staff, alumni, and others, can be cumbersome with native Active Directory tools. Additionally, with each role, there could be multiple roles for the same person, such as a professor may also be a student seeking a postgraduate degree. Handling those roles in Active Directory can be challenging with native tools, but Active Roles, you have some key features to help facilitate managing that user community. Let's take a look at an Active Roles feature called Managed Units. A key feature of Active Roles is the ability to have a flexible, rules-based view of Active Directory without the need to restructure Active Directory itself. For example, in this university setup, I have managed units based on a variety of criteria to determine my user community for ease of management, identification, security, and entitlements. As I go through these managed units, you'll see each user that's within that managed unit. And notice, for example, my tenured professors. They're located within OU structures throughout my Active Directory, but they're all here in one location for ease of management. Even have my students broken down by the year. So say, for example, your first year students are required to take an orientation course. I could simply select all of them, add to group, and there we go. All my first year students now have access to the orientation course. Also, a user can be in more than one managed unit that meets the criteria. For example, Janet, who is a non-tenured professor, is also a student seeking another postgraduate degree, so she shows up in the managed unit for postgraduates. So she can be in multiple managed units, and the account can be managed in either location. It's up to you. Let Active Roles Managed Unit drive efficiency in your Active Directory environment with distributed administration independent of OU hierarchy. Here's a quick bonus Ninja tip too. Another Active Roles key feature is the concept of group family. This allows you the ability to create groups automatically and its memberships based on criteria you specify. They can be scheduled or run on demand. For example, I've created a family group for graduating classes. As soon as I run it, it's automatically going to create the groups and the year of every student that graduates that year and fills that membership. As soon as I refresh it, there we go. I've got each graduating year, and within it, all the respective students that will be graduating that year. Do more, do it efficiently with Active Roles in higher education.